Adjustable dumbbells offer a versatile solution for strength training, allowing users to modify weight levels to suit their fitness needs. Compact and space-saving, they replace multiple traditional dumbbells, making them ideal for home gyms. Durable and easy to adjust, they're perfect for targeting muscle groups or full-body workouts. There are many products available to choose adjustable dumbbells, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best adjustable dumbbells from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. Versatile adjustable dumbbells for every fitness level. These adjustable dumbbells offer a wide weight range, adjustable from 5 to 52.5 pounds, with precise 2.5 pound increments up to 25 pounds. This flexibility allows you to customize your workout intensity, whether you're targeting heavy exercises like shrugs and lunges or focusing on lighter routines like curls and raises. Switching weights is quick and seamless, thanks to the intuitive dial mechanism. Forget the hassle of managing multiple dumbbells. This innovative design replaces 15 separate sets, making your workout area more organized and efficient. Enhance your fitness journey with a 2-month free trial of the JRNY All Access membership, offering a variety of strength and bodyweight training programs. Access workouts from your mobile device for added convenience, whether at home or on the go. The compact and space-saving design makes these dumbbells ideal for any workout environment, providing the versatility needed for total body fitness without cluttering your space. Number 2. Kepi Adjustable Dumbbells Set. Compact and versatile. Adjustable dumbbells for home workouts. Transform your fitness routine with Kepi's adjustable dumbbell, offering the functionality of 5 different weights in a single compact design. Measuring just 14.2 inches long by 7.5 inches wide by 6.3 inches high, this space-saving solution allows you to enjoy the benefits of a full weight set without cluttering your home gym. The innovative weight adjustment system lets you seamlessly switch between 5 to 25 pounds in just 1 second using a simple handle turn mechanism. This streamlined design enhances workout efficiency, letting you focus on performance without interruptions. Safety is prioritized with the advanced weight dial system, which secures the plates firmly to the handle using 8 locking grooves. This ensures stability and minimizes noise during movement, delivering a smooth and safe training experience. Crafted with premium materials, including silicone steel weight plates and an ergonomic aluminum alloy anti-slip handle, this dumbbell set is designed for durability and comfort. The satisfying click sound during weight adjustments further enhances reliability and precision. The package includes a high-strength tray, an easy-to-follow owner's manual, a lifetime warranty, and friendly customer service. Upgrade your fitness journey with Kepi's adjustable dumbbell. Compact, efficient, and built to last. Number 3. FireDone Adjustable Dumbbells. Versatile 4-in-1 multifunctional dumbbell set for comprehensive workouts. Upgrade your fitness routine with this innovative 4-in-1 multifunctional dumbbell set, designed to transform into dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and push-up stands. Perfect for a variety of exercises like bench presses, squats, and push-ups, this all-in-one solution supports diverse weight training needs. The adjustable design offers a wide range of weight options. Single dumbbells range from 5 pounds to 10 pounds, kettlebells from 3.5 pounds to 11.5 pounds, and barbells from 7 pounds to 21 pounds. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this set adapts to your workout intensity at every stage. Assembly is quick and hassle-free. Built for durability, the exterior is crafted from premium PE materials, encasing a mix of iron, mud, and sand. This ensures the set is odorless, rust-resistant, and floor-friendly. The non-slip ABS dumbbell bar with textured grip enhances control, while the 20mm thickened foam on the barbell rod provides comfort and support, reducing pressure on your neck. Safety is prioritized with thickened thread safety nuts, ensuring stability during use. Backed by Firedun's commitment to customer satisfaction, this set includes responsive support for any concerns. Achieve your fitness goals with this reliable, space-saving workout companion. Number 4. CAP Barbell Dumbbell Set. Compact and durable hex dumbbell set with A-frame rack. This complete dumbbell set includes pairs of 5-pound, 10-pound, 15-pound, 20-pound, and 25-pound rubber hex dumbbells paired with a sturdy black A-frame rack for organized storage. Shipped in multiple boxes, it features e-commerce-friendly packaging for secure delivery. The space-saving A-frame rack design allows for vertical storage, maximizing floor space while keeping your weights easily accessible. Rubber inserts on the rack protect both the dumbbells and the frame from scratches, ensuring long-lasting quality. Crafted for durability, the rack is built from steel with a black powder-coated finish. The dumbbell heads are made from ASTMA 48 Class 20 gray iron, joined by a solid 1018 cold-rolled steel handle and coated with durable rubber to withstand heavy use. The hex-shaped heads prevent rolling, ensuring stability, while the medium-depth knurling on the handles provides a secure and comfortable grip, ideal for targeting specific muscle groups, full-body workouts, functional training, or HIIT routines. Number 5. PowerBlock Elite EXP Adjustable Dumbbells. Adjustable dumbbells for versatile strength training enhance your fitness journey with PowerBlock adjustable dumbbells designed to adapt to your evolving workout needs. With a weight range of 5 to 50 pounds per hand, these dumbbells feature padded handles and clear weight markings for easy identification. Compact and portable, they provide a space-saving solution for strength training, measuring just 12 inches long by 6 inches wide by 6 inches high. Perfect for home gyms or on-the-go workouts, these dumbbells combine convenience and performance. Adjusting the weight is fast and secure thanks to the magnetic polypropylene pin, allowing increments from 2.5 to 50 pounds per hand. This innovative set replaces 16 pairs of traditional dumbbells, saving space and delivering the equivalent of 825 pounds of free weights. Built to last, the durable construction ensures years of reliable use and comes with a 5-year warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price due, check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.